Look at this little place. Just off into Kitsap County. Just happened to see it alongside the road. A nice little garage. This place could definitely be fixed up. Let's take a quick look around, guys. I already checked and made sure nobody was living here, because you never know. The floors are about to fall in. The ceiling's caving in. Just gotta watch out for bees' nests. Really bad this time of year. This must have been the living room, the kitchen. Floor is incredibly soft. I'll put a mask on. It smells like mold. That is a tiny bedroom. There's another door that goes out into the yard. Looks like somebody was living here. That's pretty much it for this place. We'll take a quick look around the back. Some squirrels fighting in the brush there. There's the back of the house. They put up a little cabinet out here for storage, maybe a barbecue, because there's a gas hookup right there. This place is right above the highway that comes into Bremerton. For those of you wanting to know, want to check it out, please don't do any damage. If you do, come check it out, explore. No damage, no graffiti, please, or stealing anything. Looks like they had a nice little fire pit, and they were right on the edge of some woods. Beautiful trees. Look at the old bathtub out here. Little clawfoot tub. Just a little bonus content. There's some kind of basement. You know how much I like basements. Left a bunch of their stuff behind, and this place is severely moldy. I'll see if you stuck around to the end of the video. You got to see a couple of photographs. You know, the person looks really familiar. This left a bunch of their stuff. Just use this little tiny basement for storage. Wasn't expecting a basement, so apologize if you can't see. There's a whole thing of wine corks. Wow, there's more. Somebody liked a bottle of wine, apparently. Hey guys, long time no see. Busy with life, moving and stuff a lot. Just wanted to say, how you doing? Good to see you again. If you like these kind of videos and you haven't subscribed already, hey, what are you waiting for? It's free. Come subscribe and give us a like. We got more videos on the way. Hope you take care and see you in the next video. Bye guys.